I'm Julie Manns, and this is the Unfinished Business Report for Wednesday, November 2nd. We had 3 that we were looking at for today from last night's report, and let's have a look and see what happened there. KEX did provide some great intraday opportunity. You can see on the daily, it didn't go short from the levels that we were looking at, but it was gapped higher, traded higher, and now I'm looking for opportunities still to the short side. If my bias was short, I usually always stay within my bias. And KEX gave a great intraday opportunity for that, as well as CXO. Again, did not go short from the price where we were looking, but it did gap up higher and then trade short if you were really right there on the open. But if you were busy like we are first thing on the open in our trading room, you had plenty of time to let it come back up to this R1 pivot level and then trade nicely down to the central pivot and then almost to the support 1 pivot. So also great opportunity there in CXO. The other one we had from last night was CCL. That did not go long. That was a long that did not go, and most longs that we had even on the plan today did not go, which generally means the shorts do well for us. So that worked today. So let's see what I can set up for tomorrow. So CNI was on Adrian's planned trades today. You can see it actually did exactly what he was expecting it to do. It was a beautiful trade. There was opportunity off of the open where there was an early entry opportunity from the prior day's resistance and the central pivot, and then also through the stated entry price and on and on. So I go over to the daily and see, is there still some possibility that it might trade lower and do some follow through the following day? So I'm going to keep that on my list and see if it doesn't come down to these prior lows here. Next one I'm going to put on the list for tomorrow's unfinished business is Grubhub. Again, it did follow through today. Again, had a very nice early entry opportunity and then had a nice stated entry opportunity later in the day. Again, just looking to see if it might not follow through tomorrow. Finally, we have CNA. CNA did not trigger today. This was not something that did much trading at all. You could see it's sort of like birds on a wire here. So, and if you look at the daily, you can see it did not even go. It was an inside day as well. So tomorrow I'll look to see if it doesn't fall lower and go to prior pullback levels. I hope you all had a great trading day today. I hope you have a better one tomorrow. If you haven't stopped by to watch Adrian's free educational webinar, go to traderinsight.com/events. And if you trade options, you won't want to miss Tim Bigham's educational session as well. See you tomorrow.